I bet you think chili dogs are for summertime only, but I'm here to tell you you can make mini chili dogs for your next party. The first thing I'm going to do is make the chili. Now you can have yours out of a can, or maybe you have your own special recipe, but this is mine. And we start with ground beef. All right, our ground meat is cooked. Now we're going to start adding all of our ingredients. It looks like a lot, but it's going to be great.
My God, it is a lot. Well, this is definitely homemade, Rajetta.
Yep. Maple syrup. Got sugar. Got water. Got Worcestershire sauce. Ketchup.
I've got the cat. Can't be left alone.
No.
Daniel. Time for you to get down.
She wants to be everywhere we are. Onion powder. Got pepper. Salt. Chili powder. Cinnamon. And tomato sauce. There's 12 of them in there because of course we have 12 buns. So we're going to boil those just for a few minutes. Next thing we're going to do is with our rolls. We want to cut a little opening in each one because that's where all our good stuff is going to go. So just in the middle. Our oven is ready. It's heated to 350 degrees. So if you want to do onions, see, so we're making a little well inside there. While I take these off the stove, you need to hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, so you can fill this any way you want, but I'm going to start with our little smokies. You're just going to push those in. Okay, now I'm adding my chili. Okay, now I'm going to top with cheese. Of course, you could do onions, jalapeños, all kinds of things. Or dinner, because we're eating for dinner. All right, let me pick up my debris here if I can. That was a lot of cheese. Okay, it's going into the oven for 10 minutes. We're just melting the cheese. Now we have to wait. Okay, Mark, what do you think?
Done.
All right.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes. All right. Okay, we'll let those cool a few minutes.
Nice. Take two. This time, Brigetta pressed record.
Yeah. It really helps a lot when you do that.
Are you ready to taste, what is this called?
Mini chili dogs. Definitely ready.
These are beautiful. They're lightly toasted, a little smoky in there. Brigetta's famous chili recipe. Lots of simple ingredients in this. I think the two most interesting ones are cinnamon, gives it a lot of character, and maple syrup.
I think
Delicious.
so too. Yep.
All right, I'm going in.
Okay, me too. Second bite.
Oh, that's good.
I like them.
Wow. These are so easy.
Right.
I've never had little smokies. I love hot dogs.
I know. I've never had them either.
They're not smoky. They taste like a little hot dog. Nothing unusual.
Right. Exactly.
And the flavor.
Yeah. I mean, you can certainly make a regular chili dog anytime, but for a party, this is perfect.
Wow.
So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos every Sunday. And of course, the recipe is always in the description box. See you next time.
Thanks, Brigetta.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
These are good.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you.
This one needs more
Everything's
chili.
moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for